Hey guys, check out this amazing Fransiton 12-inch rain shower system with a handheld wall-mounted design. It uses innovative air injection technology to boost water pressure and simulate natural rainfall. You can easily switch between the large rainfall showerhead and the high-pressure handheld option. The cUPC certified pressure balance valve prevents scalding from sudden temperature changes. This complete kit includes everything you need for the ultimate upgrade. It features a stainless steel shower head, arm, hose, and a brass valve body. Transform your daily routine into a luxurious spa experience right at home. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.